Name and occupation.
Students. Oh, is that?
Favorite body system.
What in the world is a body system?
Bruh.
An organ system is a level of classification which organs work together to achieve a common goal. Organ systems don't work in isolation. They all work together to help your human body function. Name and occupation.
My name's Caroline. I'm a sophomore at TAG.
My name's Will, and I row crew.
Tanvi, sophomore at ESSM.
Can you name at least one system that interacts with the respiratory system?
Maybe the nervous system.
The muscular system.
I think the digestive system does.
Can you tell me why?
Because the nervous system sends signals in your brain and it regulates your body's respiratory rate.
Your respiratory system takes in oxygen, and through the use of the circulatory system, it distributes the oxygen to your muscles, which powers movement and growth.
When food goes through your intestine, an organ that's a part of the digestive system, nutrients get absorbed, which help fuel the respiratory system.
To further elaborate on what Miss Caroline said, your nervous system is a control center for the rest of your body, so it controls everything, including your breathing. Your brain gets signals that are sent from your sense organs, like your eyes and your ears, and those travel up your spinal cord. Those signals are clusters of neurons, which are called your nerves.
To add on to what Will said, respiration has to do with gas exchange. Gas exchange will occur at the alveoli in the lungs. Because breathing relies on negative pressure inhalation, in order to pull air into the lungs, the muscles found between the ribs will contract, making you able to breathe. Tendons are what connects muscles to bones.
Your digestive system and your respiratory system both get rid of waste. For your digestive system, when food hits your mouth, the saliva from your salivary glands breaks it down and sends it down your esophagus. Then it passes through other internal organs like your intestinal tract, which is your small and large intestine, your liver, your stomach, and your pancreas. All of those either break down the foods, absorb nutrients and fats, or create enzymes.
Name and occupation?
Micah, sophomore at SEM.
Can you name two organs that are used in the respiratory system?
I think the lungs is part of it. I don't really know what else.
Okay, I'm just going to tell you the answer. The real answer is trachea, the larynx, the nasal cavities, and the pharynx. Like, how did you get into SEM, though?
Okay, I know what the trachea is. I just forgot about it.
Do you want to explain it?
Yeah, the trachea is part of the respiratory system, which connects the voice box to the lungs and allows air to flow in and out.
Great. And as for the larynx, nasal cavities, and pharynx, let me educate you. The larynx, also known as the voice box, is an organ in the top of the neck involved in breathing, producing sound, and protecting the trachea against food aspiration. And the nasal cavity is a large air-filled space behind your nose. And last but not least, the pharynx moves air from the oral and nasal cavities to the larynx.
I get it now. Thank you.
Yes! Name and occupation.
Huh?
Name. This wasn't on the script. Do you want a hint? Yeah. The real answer is lungs, trachea, larynx,
Trachea.
trachea.
Name and occupation.
You go to TAG. Just say sophomore at TAG.
The muscular system.
Can you tell me why?
The muscles that power your lungs are a part of the respiratory system.